Yes.
Gratitude.
Gratitude, no? Mahirap ba yung gratitude?
Mahirap yung gratitude, pero madalas nakakalimot ang mga tao when you talk about gratitude. No, hindi lang yan sa empleyado, sa sarili mong pamilya, and sa network. Many people forget, no? Nakakalimutan nila saan sila galing, nakakalimutan nila ano na yung natanggap nila, 'di ba? Tapos parang ang focus na lang nila yung mga hinanakit, sama ng loob, yung mga problemang pinagdadaanan nila. Nakalimutan nila ano na ba yung nangyari sa kanila. You need to be thankful even for the bad things, the bad moments, and the bad people in your life. Ganun talaga. Wala kasing good kung walang bad. Okay? Wala tayong big blessing kung walang challenges na dumadating sa atin. Normal yan. Okay? That's really part of life. Okay? So sa akin is a reminder that we need to have gratitude always. Kasi when you have gratitude in your heart, when you have gratitude to start your day, nagiging magaan lahat ng bagay. Kasi kung nagpapasalamat ka kung anong meron ka, anong mga nalagpasan mo, nagiging mas mabilis yung araw mo. Okay, so with the approval of the board, employees less than 1 year, will receive 1,000 anniversary bonus. Employees 1 to 2 years, 1,500. Employees greater than 2 years up to 3 years, 2,005. Greater than 3 years to 4 years, 5,000. Sabi niya, may pag-asa, may pag-asa. Greater than 4 years to 5 years, 7,000. Greater than 5 years to 6 years, 9,000. With the approval of the board, greater than 6 years, no? Thank you for your tenure. You receive 13,000.